First, remove the outer leaves of the cabbage. Next, cut the cabbage in half horizontally. This will separate the top part from the bottom where the core is. Take the top part and cut it into thirds. Then slice each third into small pieces. This part is perfect for wraps. For the bottom part, cut it into manageable pieces. Don't throw away the core, it's great for making broth and will add a deep, rich flavor. Take a portion of the top part and slice it thin. These thin slices are ideal for salads. The rest of the cabbage can be cut into chunks for stir frying. It's super convenient for quick meals. Store the prepared cabbage in a Ziploc bag without washing it and keep it in the fridge. When you are ready to use it, simply wash it and cook. If you prep your cabbage this way, there's nothing to waste. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.